Hi friends, thank you for watching this video. I am Saran Kumar and you are going to join with me in this aptitude tutorial series. And today we are going to see about introduction to aptitude. Before we start, what is aptitude? An aptitude is a skill to do a certain kind of work at a certain level. Aptitude is not knowledge or understanding, it is the problem solving ability. There are several types in aptitude, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss about quantitative type. In aptitude, two things are very important. One is analyzing the data and another one is solving a problem in less time. See this example. Consider you are driving a car from Bangalore to Hosur and you are starting at Bangalore by 10:20 am and arriving Hosur by 4:32 pm and the car number is TN592493. What is the date of birth of the driver? This is just an indirect way to ask your date of birth. People will ask why the time, car number and the etc. were added to the question. It's just to confuse you, and what we need to do is to understand the question and to find the useful data for the answer. If you can understand the question and find the useful data for the answer, you can solve any problem. You can find the answer by using the formulas or algebraic expressions or by assumptions or from the options you are provided with. Thing is, you have to find the answer in less time. Consider this example. If a number is increased by 10% and then decreased by 10%, what is the loss percent? Using formula you can find it. Loss percentage is equal to x squared by 100, which is equal to 10 squared by 100, which is equal to 1%. The advantage of using formula is you can find the answer in no time, but the problem is you can't have formulas for all the problems, and memorizing the formulas is such a difficult task. The second method is using algebraic expressions. Let us assume the number be x, and when x is increased by 10%, it becomes x plus 0.1x, and when 10% is decreased from that number, then the number becomes 0.99x, and the loss is 1%. The advantage of this method is you can find the answer for any problem, but it takes plenty of time. The third method is using assumptions. Let us assume the number be 100 and after 10% increase it becomes 110 and after 10% decrease from 110 the number becomes 99. The loss is equal to 100 minus 99 which is equal to 1 and the loss percentage is 1 by 100 into 100 which is equal to 1%. The problem is you can't assume in all the problems, so you must be careful and intelligent in your approach and you must choose a way that you can find an answer in less time. Let us discuss a small basic in quantitative. Divisibility of a number. A number is said to be divisible by 2 if the last number is even. And a number is said to be divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4. Consider this example 243524. This is divisible by 4 since the last two digits 24 is divisible by 4. A number is said to be divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. A number is said to be divisible by 8 if the last three digits are divisible by 8. Consider this example 101512. This is divisible by 8 since the last three digits are divisible by 8. For a number to be divisible by 5, the last digit must be 0 or 5. For a number to be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. And in the same way, if a number to be divisible by 9, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. For 11, the difference between the sum of the odd digits and the sum of the even digits must be 0. Let us consider this example 395142. Here, the sum of the odd terms is 2 plus 1 plus 9 which is equal to 12 and the sum of the even terms is 4 plus 5 plus 3 which is equal to 12 and the difference is 12 minus 12 and which is equal to 0. So the number is divisible by 11. For 12, the number must be divisible by 3 and 4. Hang on with this and we can start up solving the problems from the next tutorials.